How to change Poshmark username. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change your username on Poshmark. Now, if you want to do it on app, it'll be quite tricky, so I'll just show you on the browser here itself. Now on the browser itself it's tricky as well, but I'll just show you how you can do it. So I'll recommend you to do it on browser. All you have to do is you'll have to head into your browser on any of your device, and there you want to search in for Poshmark.com, and you'll be headed into official page. There you want to log into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll get an interface like this, as you can see on the screen, and on the top right corner you can see my username there. Now you'll find your username at the top right corner. You simply want to tap on it, and once you tap on it, what you want to do is at the very bottom you'll find the option account settings. You can see the second last option there above invite friends option. Simply tap on account settings. Now once on account settings, now here is where you might get tricked. Instead of edit profile option, what you want to do is you want to tap on the account info option, and there you'll find your username, and alongside it you'll find the option change. You can change your email here or your password as well. So this way you can change your Poshmark username. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.